Okay, so good morning, everybody, and once again, welcome back in today's class. Today, we are on the day number 8, and now we're going to be start interface perspective. So, in yesterday's session, we saw that how we can create the table. Did you create the table?
Yes, I created two.
Good, 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 good. वो तो भी पता चल जाएगा मुझे. We'll check this part. And we created the different fields as well. So let me log in here. ठीक है. So I'll go here in the tables. And my you underscore this thing. Okay, good. Attendance demo, Bhavna. Very few, but ठीक है चलेगा. Good. Let me say this one without extension. ठीक. Now I created multiple fields in this table, but a fulfiller cannot access this particular side. Now, two questions. Number one, if you go and search here LNG and when sorry LNG underscore, and when you click on this LNGs, why this page is opening? Why this page is opening, not any other page is opening? So let's say you have the demo one, right? Let's say demo batch 18. Let me open this. Why this page is opening? Number one. Second, how I can create, and when I click on the new button, why these 5 fields are there? I did not configure anything. I did not configure anything on the form level. So what and how it is be there? So these two things we're going to be discussed today. So first I'll go back here, tables, and I'll open my table. I can go to the show form. From table, I can go to the show form. I can go to the designer form as well, design form. I can go to the form builder as well, and I can go to the form layout as well. Means if you're on the table, you can go any of these options to design your form. There is number one way. Let me open this one, design form. Here you can design your form with the interface like this. So you can see here like this on the top. No, Atul, can I move these two fields in a new section? Yes. Plus new section. Let's say personal info. This is overview. Personal info, I need date of birth, email. Can I create a new field from here itself? Yes, you can create. What type of field you want to create? I want to create a choice. Drag and drop. What is SARN? Click on this setting. Choice. Education. Choice value +2. Grade PG. Simple. And U underscore education and cross. Done. Atul, one more field, currency. Drag and drop. Money matter. U underscore money. ठीक है. Done. Save. That is the number one way to create the form. You can create the form, you can create the field as well in this one. So now if I go back here and I click on the show form, see, हमने यहाँ तो कुछ नहीं किया. We did not go in this, we did not go to the table and we did this. Another way, if you are on the form level, let's say I open this incident form. Create new. Why this form is open in this format only? And I want to make a change in this form. Right click, configure, any option. So let's go back our form only, history. Right click, configure. Now what I did form design, I can do the form layout. Form layout, I do the form layout as well. Click on this. In the form layout, it gives you the slush buckets. These called the slush buckets. Slush bucket 1, slush bucket 2. So, and this is what overview personal. Now I want to create a new section. Okay. I want to create a family background. And you can create a field here, family background. Siblings. किस तरह का field है ये? It's a choice. Okay. Add one more field. Cousins. Might be you can say it's a kind of a image. Okay. Edit. Save it. Close. See, it is there. Second way. Now, what is the intention to tell you this thing? The intention to show you this thing. Yeah, sorry. Intention to show you this thing that it is not necessary that to create a field, you need to be go in the table and field only. You can create a new field from the form design as well, from the layout as well. Means to enhance the user, not user, I can say, to enhance the developer experience, ServiceNow give this functionality to me. We created these fields, right? These two or these. Did we go to the table? No. We just right click on the form and we did it. Now, next one, form builder. This is something new has been added by the ServiceNow almost 2 releases or 3 releases back. More interactive format where you can visualize more better. Atul, can I add more fields? Simple. Yes, you can add. See, do you want to add section? Yes. Drag and drop. 2 column, 1 column, 1 column. Okay. That's fine. Yes. Section name. Partner. Click here. What field you need? New field you need and a field in the table. Yes. Spouse name. See. String. No, it's a reference. Reference to what? User table. Sorry. And then want to add more? Add label. It's yes, true and false. Add done. You want to preview how it will look like. See, the form will be look like this only. Right? This is what we did. Kid, yes or no, siblings, and this thing. So if you want to if you want to see it, okay, save it. Now go back, refresh. See there, kids, spouse name. It's a user reference. Department you can refer, CMDB refer, any table you can refer it. Also, one more thing. If I want to go to the table directly for this one, this from this form, right click, configure table. See, all the fields which you use, you all get created automatically here. Now, when you click on this here, LNG underscore, it open a list. ये कहां से आ रहा है ये भी चेक करते हैं. Come on, history table, show list. ये देखो यहां से कॉन्फ़िगर है. आज का होमवर्क. Now you guys created a tables. ठीक है. And definitely I saw few of the field. Definitely when you create a table fields, so like this thing, supplier, because this table has been extended, तभी सारे आ रहे हैं. Except incident, change any other form, I have no issues. ठीक है. आज का homework, who will take the homework for today? Let me see. Aneri, take the homework for today. Okay.
Okay.
Good. So the first homework is that yesterday the tables you created, you need to be design the form for the same, and you can use these three methods to create the form: form list, form layout, form design, and form builder. अब थोड़ा सा डिस्कस करते हैं. We will discuss now that what this field all about, what this form all about. ठीक है. Till this point, any doubt, question, clarification, anybody required? Anybody, any doubt, question? Go ahead, Shriram, please. Shriram, your voice is very low, very low. Still not able to hear you properly. No, Shriram, not able to hear you. Might be you can rejoin, or might be check your audio once and then I'll come back to you. Yes. Go ahead, Shriram.
So I was saying that for the family members, we have selected the choice, right? We
Mhm.
have assigned the different family members, their cousin, father, mother, sister, like. So as for the same condition, we can apply the different.
Sorry, your voice very low. Last, I'm not get to for the same condition.
We can select the different data type.
Data type is your choice only. I am just creating fields to show you. It is not that you have to be used that only. I'm just giving example that there are multiple type of fields are available, data types are available. It is your use case what you have to be do.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Vikram, go ahead.
I got my answer with Sriram question, so I'm good now.
Okay. Yep. So see, what I am doing is just examples. If you want, you can create any kind of things. So let's say if I go back here, this one, right click form design. I can change it. Now let's say I want to be create a duration field. Okay, let me create a new section. Travel. Okay, and we'll move from travel from here to here. Duration. Settings. Driving. ठीक है, this. Now driving means you want to be know the price. Okay, let's say price. Up to you. What you want to be used, up to you. You have to be decided. I am just putting examples for the purpose. Integer. Save. Just to show you that these many data types exist.
Sir, can you click on the designer once?
Wait. So now you can say travel. See, driving how many days? What is the price for this new integer? Yes, tell me.
No, driving. Click on the driving. Like we need to edit it. So in this label is showing driving, and name is showing you
Yes.
under.
So label is something which is visible to the user. And name is something which we use in our code. So generally when you say that I ask you, okay, what's your name? You say my name is Vikram Singh, right? So
Yes.
if I store your name in the database, how I store generally? First underscore name. Or someone you're filling a form, you say it's a first name, last name. But did they put underscore for you? No. In the background they use underscore. So label is something which we always show to the user. Name is something which I use for the internal purpose. So generally we keep a sync because we are doing from the form design. It should actually automatically rename it to this u underscore driving, but it did not update.
Okay.
Okay. Now if I add one more thing, radio button. Drink means do you drink? U underscore drink. ठीक है. अब इसमें एक चीज और थी जो मैं बता रहा था. Sorry, not this one. अब देखो choices हैं. ठीक है. Choices can be dependent as well with any other option. So if I give you the example of this one, let me save this and come back to the incident management because little bit things we can discuss from there as well. And now if you reload this, you got travel partner, this thing. Okay, one more thing before I forget. These fields you are able to see. If I want to be know, so in our mainly Indian tradition, I can say when someone died, we go for their cremation and we go for Asthi Visarjan, everything will be there to some religious place. And after that, we go to a place which we call as a Pandiji kind of things, which hold your books, your family books. That might be you are going to first time, then they will add your name, your father, your grandfather name. Means by seeing that book, you can see that who died in your family at what date and who came for his last ritual at the particular place. This is called the dictionary. In the same manner, if I want to know about the detail of this field or this field, how I can do? Either I can go to table, otherwise right click and you can see configure dictionary. Or I want to know that this field is coming from which particular table. क्यों? क्योंकि this is a reference one. Now, just to show you something here, let me open incident and click on the create new or open any open record we can pick up. अब देखो, these many fields are there. To give you example, one more. Vikram is a family man and he is staying with his family, wife and two kids. Vic, on special occasions, Vikram parents come to his house, his relative members come to his house, but they stay at their house only. Something similar is happening here. You can see these many fields. But do you think that all these fields are on the incident table itself? ऐसा नहीं है. क्यों? क्योंकि incident table has been extended from the task table. I have the values and sanskar from my parents. But how I know? जब when the kids are small, like 6 months, 8 months, year, people say, no, it's look like his father. He's look like his mother. No, he's look like his grandfather. What this mean? It means people try to identify its dictionary. That how it's look like, to whom it's look like, all the things will be there. But in service now, how you come to know? Then right click, show number. This is like a quick guide for you. जैसे बुक्स में इंडेक्स होता है ना लास्ट में, same it's like this. So by seeing this, I can see incident.task, incident.number. It is not, this number is not coming, is not actually in the incident table. It is coming from the task table. ठीक है, incident is extended from the task. I can use it. But actual में ये इसका घर नहीं है. It's not his own house. This number is coming from the task table. That is the original house. So if you change this number label in the task table, it will impact everybody. Same, let's check this color. Color is ये इसका ही घर है. क्यों? Color is created on the instance table itself. But ये reference किसको कर रहा है? User table को. और depend किस पे है? कंपनी पे है. होता है ना? If I, like I was saying, okay guys, how many are from here, from the north side of India? How many from the south side of India? How many from the east and west side of India? And kind of a center of India. Based on your region, I'm making the selection. ये तो ऐसे हो गया, ठीक है. तो if any field is a reference, you will see this magnify glass and you can see this eye icon always. Eye icon will be only in the reference, not in the choices. अब ये choice है, show category. What do you see here? Something magic. Go ahead. What do you see here? तो आप तो चॉइस का गाना गा रहे हो, बट ये तो स्ट्रिंग, ये तो इंटीजर है, सॉरी स्ट्रिंग है, चॉइस तो है ही नहीं. यस, इट्स अ स्ट्रिंग, चॉइस टाइप का नहीं है. नाउ लेट्स सी कि इसका कॉन्फ़िगरेशन कैसा है फिर, क्योंकि व्हाट वी डिड, वी क्रिएट द चॉइसेस, राइट. हम तो चॉइस बनाया ये. अतुल, हमने स्ट्रिंग क्यों नहीं बनाया? बिकॉज देयर आर द मल्टीपल वेज टू स्टोर अ डाटा टाइप एज वेल. So if I right click here and go to, let's say, go to form design. And now I show you something important. Category, this one. देखो, category type is string, लेकिन string उसने बोला कि मेरे को string drop down format में चाहिए, तो it created choice type as a drop down with none. Atul, can we convert this? Yes, we can convert. Right click, sorry, configure form design. Convert कर सकते हैं हम, right? क्या था? Education. This, and now see, बैकग्राउंड तो स्ट्रिंग ही जा रहा है. हमने दिया तो चॉइस टाइप था, लेकिन गया स्ट्रिंग. कैन पुट लाइक दिस, नन और विदाउट नन. Nothing to do. And if you put the dependent, this particular field is depend on the date of birth. अब वो कह रहे कि डिपेंडेंट की चॉइस डालो, क्योंकि इट्स अ चॉइस फील्ड. फर्स्ट आई विल पुट द रीजन south, north, east or west. Based on the south, I want to be show only people who are from the south side. Based on the region north, I want to show people only from the north side. So dependent के लिए पहले choice देनी पड़ेगी. This is what is happening here. If I again go back here, category देखो. Now subcategory. This is dependent on category. देखो यहाँ पे. If I put subcategory as a inquiry, sorry, category as inquiry, I can see only these three options. But if I put the category as a hardware, I can see these options. So you have to be decide the mapping. This is what is important. Same thing now. Service is a reference, लेकिन task table पे है. अब there's a few examples. Let me give you. Might be there's a family who are pure vegetarian. ठीक है, मतलब father and mother are the pure vegetarian, but kids love to have non-veg as well. I'm giving you a thought. We will discuss this topic very later, not immediately. What I'm saying, if Atul, can I change the behavior of this service field only for the incident table? Because if I make a change in the task table, it will impact everybody. It will impact everybody where this table has been as a parent. This concept is called a dictionary override, which we pick up almost 23rd, 24th day somewhere near about that day, not before that. Take now the short description. ये भी टास्क टेबल पे शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन के नाम से ही है ये. अच्छा वैभव, आपने जो पूछा था ये देखो, कॉलर, गुड एग्जांपल. आपको क्या दिख रहा है? कॉलर, लेकिन पीछे क्या सेव है? कॉलर अंडरस्कोर आईडी. So color underscore ID will be used in my coding. ठीक है, तो ये डिफरेंट पर्पस रखते हैं. नाउ अनदर इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट आई शो यू. What do you think? Impact and urgency is a choice or not? Tell me, what do you think? These are a choice or not? Unmute say yes or no.
Looks like drop down.
हाँ, looks like drop मतलब कि choice होगी, right?
हाँ.
I agree. Everybody agree? Who said this one?
Sir Vikram.
हाँ, Vikram. चलो, let's say all the 16 people are supporting to Vikram. Then Vikram, what you said is right. It's a choice because ये भी drop down है, यहाँ पर भी है, ये भी drop down है, यहाँ पर भी है. But now see the difference. Right click, show impact. See, integer type है ये तो. अब तुम बोलोगे तो ये तो और भी लफड़ा है. That's all more problematic. Here you're saying integer, here you're saying choice. What is the funda? What is the funda behind that? Because these values. So if I go back here, these values are actually integer, but it is, we make it as a choice type. Why integer? Because impact, urgency, and priority. These are the fields which can have a different value for different customers. So someone will write high, someone will write 1-high, someone will write 1:high, which create a problem for the developer to be configuration. So if you're able to see one thing in my system, it's showing this one, right? And to be surprised you, even the state is the same. See, means a user can see in the normal English, but in the background, it is not the in progress getting stored. 2 is getting stored. If I resolve an incident, it's not resolved is getting stored. It is 6 is getting resolved, store. समझो कुछ क्लियर हुआ? डाउट, क्वेश्चन, क्लैरिफिकेशन? 6 लोग छुट्टी पे हैं. यस, गो अहेड प्रताप.
So Atul, just one thing. So let's say in drop down there's a value. Okay. Let's say priority is equal to 1, then maybe low high. So what's in backend values? Is it number in backend
Number
or
in backend.
number in
Number in
backend?
backend. And if you see this thing, now I show you one more thing. देखो, जब हमने, when we create this education, what we put? Not dependent. See, what we put? This thing. क्योंकि कस्टमर को अगर आप 1 2 3 दिखाओगे उसको समझ नहीं आएगा. कस्टमर को हम ये दिखा रहे हैं कि भाई तो +2 है, ग्रेजुएट है, क्या है, बट इन द बैकग्राउंड वी आर स्टोरिंग 1 2 3. तो बैकग्राउंड में तो यही जा रहा है. बिकॉज इफ यू आर ए डेवलपर, व्हेन यू राइट अ कोड, इफ यू सी हियर स्टेट, देखो क्या लिखा है, क्लोज स्टेट 7 and 8, डिफॉल्ट क्लोज स्टेट 7, वर्क डिफॉल्ट स्टेट 2. डिफॉल्ट वर्क स्टेट शुड बी इन प्रोग्रेस क्योंकि 2 इज इन प्रोग्रेस. बट अब इफ आई से राइट द वर्ड इन प्रोग्रेस, out of 16 people will write in, few will write in progress. We will write in progress. So we'll write in progress. अब बताओ, तीनों का मतलब तो सेम ही है, राइट प्रताप?
Yeah, correct.
But if you store these three as a three different, if you store this in service, now these will be three different values. तो सिस्टम कहता मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता, आप कुछ भी दो, इफ यू पुट द राइट वैल्यू, दिस थिंग, मैं इसको लेके चलूंगा, आई विल टेक दिस वैल्यूज, क्योंकि दिस कोडिंग इज स्टिल इजी. Now you are writing a code. Show the fields when state is in progress. You are the good developer, you will use this thing. But I'm a new developer, I will use this thing. मैं बोलूंगा प्रताप मेरा कोड नहीं चल रहा, सब तो ठीक है. ठीक क्या है, क्योंकि एक्चुअल में वैल्यू तो इसकी जगह ये नहीं है, इसकी जगह ये जानी चाहिए. आप ये दोगे तो प्रॉब्लम होगा ही होगा. So to avoid the development complexity, service now remove that funda and say use this thing, integer. So now if I go back here, let's say we create one thing. Let's create a one more field called integer. कहाँ था हमारा integer? ये था ना, new integer. See, it's giving often create choices. कर देते हैं choice. First one, second two. ठीक है, लो क्या काम खत्म, सेव करो, come back here, reload the form, आ गया, choice आ गया. ये फर्स्ट क्लियर दिख रहा, configure form design. अच्छा देखो, choice 3 तभी नहीं दिख रहा ना, एरर आ गया इसमें. Sorry, we need to be see this thing, not this. देखो आ गया. यूजर को फर्स्ट सेकंड दिखेगा, बट इन द बैकग्राउंड आई एम स्टेइंग वन नंबर टू, लाइक काउंटिंग वाला 1 2. So it is again, it is not my thoughts, it is your use case, how best you want to be store it. Clear everybody? Doubt, question, clarification? Then so these are the
But I have a
fields which,
question.
go ahead please.
Like while creating a form, how we will decide like which type is suitable for that particular
Vikram,
yes sir.
you are inviting me for the dinner, ठीक है, and I am a pure vegetarian. Now how you will decide that what should you make in the dinner for me? सोचो, क्या तो वेजिटेरियन है तो मतलब है कि वी कैन मेक अ ग्रेवी कॉल माइट बी पनीर, साथ में थोड़ा सा लाइक ड्राई सब्जी हो जाएगी एक, ठीक है. डिनर पर आ रहे हैं तो हैवी नहीं बनाते कुछ, ठीक है. सी 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 दिस कन्वर्सेशन, ठीक है. राइस, हाँ राइस बनाते हैं लेकिन हल्के से जीरा राइस बनाएंगे, ठीक है. विल नॉट गो फॉर द पूरी, क्योंकि रात का है तो खाने में हैवी हो जाएगा. विल गो फॉर द रोटी, ठीक है. डेजर्ट्स में हम लेते हैं, इससे ठंड है तो हलवा लेते हैं, आइसक्रीम नहीं लेते. हाउ आर डिसाइडिंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स? based on my use case. If I change the timing, whether I'm coming in the morning, in the afternoon time, then the menu will be get changed. So it is all about your use case. Let me give you homework, and I report this question now. Put this question in this today's homework. Everybody need to be think a small application you're going to be create in this training now. Application means everybody know that we are using parking, we are using ticket bookings, might be movie, flight, travel tickets we are booking. We are ordering something from e-commerce website. We are having a kids school admission, school test. So these are the simple use cases which I'm telling you. Now you have to be think that what use case you want to build it. Might be Vikram says, Atul, I want to build a travel application. ठीक है. What field you need in the travel application? Source, destination, number of people traveling. Right, Vikram?
जी.
Right. Now, if these use case is yours, then you will decide that do you want to be store the name of passengers in a choice, in a string, in a checkbox. It's your use case. So you are the business, give a requirement to the consultant like us. And then we ask, that is the reason the concept come in the picture, that foundation data. Boss, इसमें store क्या करना चाहते हो? I want to be store male and female. तो आप string बनाओगे, choice बनाओगे? Even choice भी नहीं, redo button बनाओगे या string बनाओगे?
Radio
Definitely तो
button.
redo button. क्योंकि either a person can be male or female, it cannot be both. और standard value है. लेकिन address, you will make a choice, you will make a drop down, or you will make a string. मतलब normal single text.
String.
Single text.
Single text. क्यों? क्योंकि वो स्टैंडर्ड नहीं है. वैभव का एड्रेस अलग हो, गौरव का अलग है, भव्या का अलग है, अतुल का अलग है, मनीष का अलग एड्रेस है. Now who is deciding? It's you. How deciding? Based on the use case. What is helping you? The foundation data you're going to be stored in that to run that particular process. Now the dots is connected, right? कि क्यों फाउंडेशन डेटा का कंसेप्ट हम पिक्चर में लेके आए. We can go ahead, okay, यूजर होता है, ग्रुप होता है, काम खत्म. बट why I put the foundation data? क्योंकि यहां पर आपको लिंकिंग की जरूरत है. As I said that when I go for the implementation, these are the questions which I ask. Simple part, simple thing. As a BA, you have to be remember. Customer says, "Hey, Vikram, can you implement incident management for me in the service now?" हाँ, okay, कर दूंगा. And customer says, "In my old system, I have these 20 fields. Can you bring in the service now?" Now your experience come in the picture. Boss, if you want the same 20 fields in the service now as well, then why you need looking for a new tool? पुराना tool use कर लो. Then your consulting come into picture. Put question for each field. Why you need this field? What value is going to be drive? What value it will be stored? Is it this field used by every user, limited user? How frequently used? Monthly, yearly, quarterly? So that I can see that shall we bring this field in the service now or not? Clear हुआ विक्रम concept of फंडा पीछे से?
जी जी.
So this is complete thought process in your mind. So this is what we see. Now these two things, and I report this question as well. try to be, not try, go and find out that what type of field is work notes and the additional comments, and what is the difference between these two. ठीक है, बाकी इज ऑल गुड, लाइक रिलेटेड रिकॉर्ड्स ठीक है, रेफरेंस है क्योंकि दिख रहा है मुझे तो रेफरेंस ही है. रेफरेंस किसको है, यू कैन सी इट इंसिडेंट टेबल में, इंसिडेंट टेबल को रेफरेंस है ये चेंज को है. फाइन, these things called the sections, and these are called the related list. I always give the example to understand related list means, let's say Abdul is getting married now, ठीक है, and in the marriage, in the good times, we always invite our family members from both side, both parenting side, ठीक है. अब Abdul is young, definitely he has his own friends as well. Abdul has a sister as well, she's also young, so she invite her friends as well because it's his brother's marriage. But none of these people stay in Abdul's house. They are coming, supporting the event, and going. These are called the related list. This data will support to the main record. So Abdul is in the marriage now. Someone will say, Abdul, who is your chacha? Abdul invite chacha ki list ko. These are all my chachas. Who is your mama? Abdul bring mamas ki list. I shadi mein supported him to make the relationship with the bride side, and done. So this is the related list, which means that if we are working on this incident, these are the supporting elements which provide you more information about this record. So by seeing that gathering in the marriage, people say, wow, Abdul's have a lot of friends because big friend list. Abdul has a good family. He has complete family. Chacha, Dada, Nana, Nani, Mama, Masi, Bua, Fufa, everybody is there. So these are the things. So when you start working on this record, these might get updated automatically or you have to be updated manually. But these are not the sections. Sections ye hain. These are the related list. And how to see? Right click, configure, related list. Aneri put this question. What is related list and how a related list can be created? Actually, this concept is not the part of admin. This is for the ITSM perspective. But give you overview, we're discussing here. ठीक है, clear everybody? Doubt, question? Any doubt, any question, anybody? Okay. So now we see that yes, how we can update a form, create a new form. Now the second thing come. When I click on this, let's say this thing. Why this is be opening? When I click on this incident and click on this, अतुल अब तो फॉर्म खुल गया. Is it something has been written on these words? मतलब जब क्रिएट नहीं होगा तो ये फॉर्म ही खुलेगा, जब ओपन होगा तो लिस्ट ही खुलेगी? नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. Come back here. LNG. Click on this pencil icon. There's a concept called the link type. Link type is the one which decide what should be the format of this particular click. List of records. New record. Now I'll show you. Save. All. And now click LNG. खुल गया new record. क्यों? Because now we change the link type. Go and change it again. Search. Update. Come back here. Refresh. Sorry. Wait. Let's remove and search it again. देखो अब सर्च का बटन आ रहा है. I would do search LNG. कुछ नहीं मिला उसको. देखो फर्स्ट नेम स्टार्ट विद LNG नहीं मिला क्योंकि कुछ रिकॉर्ड हमने सेव ही नहीं किया अभी तक इसमें. So there are multiple type of link types are available. सिंगल रिकॉर्ड एक ही रिकॉर्ड शो करेगा टाइम पे. टाइमलाइन पेज, मैप पेज, which map I want to be show. Critical incident, or let's say all locations. Come back here. देखो मैप पेज खुल गया. So now the homework. Create or yesterday created the table. Under the table create different modules. Demo 1, demo 2, demo 3, up to you. Which modules you want to create, you can create it. And each module have a separate or the different link type. सबका अलग अलग link type होना चाहिए. Try for maximum which you can try. Survey, timeline, URLs. Go and check. List filter, list record, HTML document link, content page assessment. Few even I don't know. But give a try. Doubt, question, clarification. बोलिए कोई डाउट क्वेश्चन क्लैरिफिकेशन किसी का? All clear?
For now, yes. Once we start doing it, let's see.
Yes. So now
Maybe question.
Every homework is connected with other homework now. We done the table, we done the form, and now we done the link type as well. Means I give a homework to think about an exercise or actually which I told that you have to be create a use case. Use case अभी बनाना नहीं है. Just design in your mind. Take a pen and paper, start noting down. Okay, I want to be create parking management. How many modules I need? Book a parking, remove a parking, update a parking, request for the new parking allocation, add a new vehicle, remove the old vehicle. And one more thing. डोंट बी इन द जोश कि मैं बहुत बड़ा ऐप बनाने वाला हूं, नहीं बनेगा, बनाना भी नहीं है. We will create only one or maximum two modules for your use case, but with the good fields. If I want to create a, let's say I want to create a parking management and I want to create only for the two modules, add a parking space and remove a parking space. Now think what you need to be doing this particular part. Add a parking space, what you need, what field you need. I am a parking management company. I have parking at airport, I have parking at the bus stand, I have parking at the main hall, I have parking at the council, I have parking in the municipal committee as well. And Priya is my user. Priya tomorrow is coming to the station and she want to park her car. Now how Priya can look for that particular location? Do we have any location field in service now? Do we have any location table in service now? These things you have to be find out. So don't be smart or over smart. That Atul nahi aapne bola to will start in the system. No. Take a pen paper, note down the requirements. Because for this use case, you will be the developer and you will be the BA and you will be the tester as well. And you will be the user as well. So think and then build. Try to build out, okay, I need 5 fields. What these fields are referred to which particular field, or do I duplicate just like a string or integer kind of things? My dear Priya want to be book a parking which is run by Vikram. But it means Priya must have a user account in the system first. So I need a user account form as well. And when Priya want to book the parking, it should refer to the Priya's name only. So it means the booking person name should be the refer to the user table. क्योंकि ऑलरेडी अकाउंट तो बन गया अब उसका, तो मतलब यूजर टेबल में तो उसका रिकॉर्ड होना चाहिए. Think in these directions, and I can guarantee you, when you start thinking, you will say, "Oh my God, it's too tough." कि मैं requirement भी नहीं सोच पा रहा हूँ. ठीक है? Any other question? Aniri, all good on the question part?
Yes.
Okay. Good. So if no question, we can stop the recording and take a quick attendance now.